So you can see, I have this particular issue where I'm not able to apply the effects. It is saying the effect requires GPU acceleration. Now, whenever you are going to search on the YouTube, the solution will be suggested as you open the project settings, generals, and change this to CUDA and OpenCL. Now, CUDA is for the Nvidia graphics card users, and OpenCL is for AMD, and this one is software processing only. Now, the problem is this doesn't solve the problem. So the problem itself remains the same. Now you have, as you can see, I have changed it, but nothing is happening. Now to solve this, you have to go into the effect panel, effect control panels, and check out your current effect which you are going to apply, and you have to arrange the order. As soon as you arrange the order, this is the important part, you have to arrange the order of the effect. Now whenever you will do this, you again move back to your program window and the problem is solved. That particular warning message which was coming earlier is now gone. So this is the simplest trick to solve the issue. Thank you. Keep watching. Stay connected. Subscribe for more such useful tips and tricks. Thank you.